Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will discuss about Wondershare DemoCreator Premium accounts. So let's start it. You can see I'm using a premium account. So you have to first purchase the premium account. I'm using premium account. You can see from here I am using premium account. So I'm going to create a screenshot or a screen recorder video. So you have to come screen and camera. So it's started to record. You can see from here it's going to be record. I will go to YouTube and clicking here my channel, and I'm going to scrolling to down. And now you can see this video I have recorded on Wondershare DemoCreator. So I'm going to edit these videos. This is my video I have recorded on YouTube. How you can see the zoom effect is very amazing in this app. It's a zoom effect, and cursor point is very helpful for screen recorder video. So I'm going to save or export these videos. You can see this interface. This is your project name. You can save as a demo creator, and you can save these videos in different version. I'm going to save MP4, and it says for my YouTube video, so I am selecting from here YouTube, and I'm going to make a different version and high quality video, so I am selecting 4K. And export from here. It's taking some time. It's going to be saved or export. Here we go. Our video is ready. So let's play it. Yeah, our video is ready. Get it with DemoCreator. So you can see this playing of our recorded video and saved. It's very nice to zoom in and zoom out, and cursor point. It's very amazing. So if you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, tata.